Here's a walkthrough solution for your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max not charging and not turning on. Let's start with some basic fixes and then move toward expert-level help. First of all, check the USB charging adapter and cable. I recommend using the original Apple cable or an Apple-certified one. Use a different wall adapter plugged directly into a wall outlet and avoid power strips or laptops. Let the phone charge for 20 to 30 minutes. If your battery is completely drained, the screen may stay black for a while before anything shows up. Over time, pocket lint can build up inside the charging port on your iPhone and block the charging pins. Carefully remove all lint and make the port clean using a wooden toothpick. Then gently blow air into the charging port. Do not use metal or steel pins to clean the connector. Now plug in the phone and check whether your iPhone is charging. You may only see the battery icon on the screen. If it's still not responding, try a force restart. Keep your iPhone connected to power, then quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. If your screen stays black, check this next. When you plug in the charging cable, do you hear the charging sound? If yes, then your iPhone display may not be working. This could be a display issue or a motherboard issue. If you don't hear any charging sound when you plug in the phone, try charging it wirelessly. This is an alternate way to charge your iPhone if the charging port is damaged. Along with the previous checks, you should also look for overheating or extremely cold conditions. If the phone is hot, let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. If it's very cold, bring it back to room temperature and then try charging again. The most common causes we see with iPhone 17 issues are related to the display or power system. An iOS crash or failed background update may require updating the iPhone in recovery mode. Do not choose the restore option, or all your data will be erased. Check my separate video tutorial on how to update an iPhone in recovery mode. Some issues like overheating or water and moisture exposure may need 1 day or more to resolve. You can place your iPhone in a container of rice to help absorb moisture from the charging port. If nothing is working, contact Apple support, find a nearby Apple store, or book an appointment at the Apple Genius Bar. If your iPhone is under warranty, check the warranty period in the Settings app. Go to General, then About, scroll to Limited Warranty, and check the expiration date. Contact Apple to get a free repair or replacement before your coverage expires. That's all the ways to fix an iPhone 17 that's not charging or turning on. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.